Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Mia.
And I am Leo. We are so happy you are here with us today. If you want to speak English with confidence, you are in the right place. On this channel, we help you speak English fluently and with confidence.
Yes, we do. We are really happy you are here with us today. Whether you are relaxing at home, driving to work, drinking coffee, or practicing your English, thank you for spending some time with us. We always enjoy learning together. So Leo, how are you today?
I am doing great here, Mia. Thank you for asking. I am just so excited for today's episode. Today, we are talking about a very special topic. We are learning how to speak English fluently and confidently. No stress, no fear, just simple, beautiful English.
That is right, Leo. Many students tell me, Mia, I know English grammar, I know many words, but when I open my mouth, I feel scared. Does that sound like you? Do not worry. Today, we will fix that together.
We sure will. But before we start our main chat, please take one short second to click that like button. Subscribe to our channel too. When you subscribe, you join our wonderful English family. Go ahead, click it now. We'll wait for you.
Awesome. Thank you for subscribing. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Grab a cup of tea, relax your shoulders, and let's practice together. Okay, Leo, let's start with the first big secret to speaking fluently. Many beginners think they must use long, difficult sentences, but that's a mistake. Am I right, Leo?
Oh, you are 100% right, Mia. Long sentences make you stop and think too much. When you think too much, you lose your confidence. The secret is simple. Use short sentences.
Exactly. Let's listen to a quick example. Imagine you want to talk about your morning routine. Leo, how do you say that simply?
I say, I wake up early. I drink warm water. Then I walk my dog.
Wow, that is so clear. Let's listen to that again, everyone. Leo, say it one more time, nice and slow.
I wake up early. I drink warm water. Then I walk my dog.
See? 3 short sentences. You can say this easily. Let's discuss why this works. When you use short sentences, you can breathe. You can focus on your pronunciation. You don't get lost in your own words.
That's a great point, Mia. Good job explaining that. Let's try a real-life dialogue now. I'll ask you a question, Mia, and you answer with short, confident sentences. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's do it.
Mia, how do you prepare for a busy day?
I make a list. I check my calendar. I eat a big breakfast.
Fantastic. Listen to that again, everyone. Mia, please repeat those 3 sentences for our listeners.
I make a list. I check my calendar. I eat a big breakfast.
Beautiful. Look at that. No big, scary words, just simple English. You can practice this right now while you listen to us. Speak out loud. Say it with Mia. I make a list.
I make a list. You see? You're improving already. Now let's talk about the second big problem. Many students translate from their native language into English inside their head. Leo, why is this a bad habit?
Oh, it slows you down so much, Mia. It's like trying to drive a car while looking at a map in a different language. You pause, you go, and you feel nervous. We want to stop translating. We want to think directly in English.
Yes, but how do we do that? It sounds hard.
It's actually very easy if you start small. Don't try to think about a whole story. Just name the things around you in English. Look around your room right now. What do you see? Don't say the words in your first language. Say them in English.
Let's practice that right now. I'll look around our studio. I see a chair. I see a desk. I see a microphone.
Perfect, Mia. Let's listen to that list again. Listen carefully, everyone.
Chair, desk, microphone.
That's it. By doing this, your brain connects the real object directly to the English word. No translation needed. Let's discuss how to make this a daily habit. When you walk into your kitchen tomorrow, what can you do?
You can look around and say, cup, plate, coffee, spoon.
Yes. Let's listen to those kitchen words one more time.
Cup, plate, coffee, spoon.
That's a great question some students might have. Does this really help fluency? Yes. It builds a fast connection in your brain. When you want a cup of coffee, you'll just say, I want coffee, without translating. You save time and you sound so natural.
You're doing amazing, everyone. Just listening to this podcast is training your brain to think in English. Give yourself a little pat on the back.
All right. Mia, let's be honest. Sometimes even native speakers forget a word. It happens to me all the time.
Haha, me too, Leo. Forgetting a word is totally normal, but beginners often freeze when they forget a word. They stop speaking completely. Today, we'll learn 3 magic phrases you can use when you forget a word. This keeps the conversation going.
I love this part. What's the first magic phrase, Mia?
The first phrase is, how do you say? Let's listen to how it sounds in a real dialogue. Leo, let's pretend I forgot the word for refrigerator.
Okay, let's try it.
Leo, I want a cold drink. I need to open how do you say the big cold box in the kitchen?
Oh, the refrigerator.
Yes, the refrigerator. Thank you.
Wow, that was wonderful, Mia. Let's listen to that key phrase again. Listen to how Mia used it smoothly.
How do you say?
This phrase is amazing because it asks the other person for help. It keeps the conversation alive. You don't have to feel embarrassed. What's the second magic phrase, Mia?
The second phrase is, it's a thing that. This is perfect when you need to describe an object. Let's listen to an example. Leo, pretend I forgot the word for umbrella.
Let's do it.
Oh no, Leo, it's raining today. I need my, it's a thing that keeps you dry.
Ah, you mean an umbrella.
Yes, an umbrella. Thanks.
That was so natural. Let's listen to that phrase again, everyone.
It's a thing that. See how easy that is? You don't need to know every single word in the English dictionary to be fluent. You just need to know how to describe what you mean. That's what true fluency is all about.
That's a great point, Leah. Now, let's look at the third magic phrase. This one is very casual and friendly. It's, what's the word? Let's listen to an example. Mia, let's pretend I forgot the word for wallet.
Let's try. I want to buy this book, but I can't find what's the word? The small leather thing for my money?
Your wallet.
Yes, my wallet.
Excellent. Let's listen to that third phrase one more time.
What's the word?
Beautiful. Let's discuss these 3 phrases together. They're like a safety net for your brain. If you forget a word, you don't have to worry. You just use one of these phrases. How do you say, it's a thing that? What's the word?
You're doing an awesome job, listeners. Practice saying these phrases quietly to yourself right now. They'll give you so much confidence.
Mia, let's move on to one of my absolute favorite techniques for fluent speaking. It's called imitation or shadowing.
Oh, I love shadowing. It's like copy-pasting someone's voice, right?
Exactly. You don't just listen to English, you copy the way a person speaks. You copy their rhythm, their tone, and how they sound happy or sad. It helps your mouth muscles get used to English sounds.
Let's show our listeners exactly how to do this. I'll say a sentence with a very clear, friendly emotion. Then, Leo, you'll copy me immediately. You'll try to sound exactly like me.
I'm ready. Let's try.
I love learning English because it's fun.
I love learning English because it's fun.
Wow, Leo, that was a perfect imitation. Let's listen to that one more time. Listen to how my voice goes up and down, and then hear how Leo copies it. I love learning English because it's fun.
I love learning English because it's fun.
Now it's your turn, dear listener. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. I want you to copy my voice right now. Try to sound happy and confident. Here's the sentence. My English is getting better every single day.
Oh, I think they did a wonderful job, Mia. I can feel their positive energy from here.
Me too. Let's do it one more time together. I'll say it, and then Leo and our listeners will say it together. Ready? My English is getting better every single day.
My English is getting better every single day.
That's how you do it. This is shadowing. You can do this with your favorite English movies, YouTube videos, or even with this podcast. Just pause the audio and copy what we say. It's a fantastic way to build confidence.
All right, Mia, let's talk about speed. Many beginners think that fluent speakers must talk very, very fast, like a race car. Fast, fast, fast.
Oh, no, no, no. That's a big misunderstanding. Speaking fast doesn't mean you are fluent. Sometimes, when people speak too fast, it's hard to understand them. Speaking slowly and clearly is a real superpower.
It really is. When you speak slowly, you give your brain time to choose the next word. You also give the listener time to understand you. Let's listen to two examples. First, I'll speak too fast and sound stressed. Mia, tell me how it sounds.
Okay, go for it.
Hi, Mia. Today I went to the market and I bought some apples and it was very nice.
Oh, dear. That was too fast, Leo. I felt stressed just listening to you. I could barely understand the words.
Exactly. Now, let's listen to the second example. I'll say the exact same thing, but I will speak slowly, calmly, and with confidence. Listen carefully, everyone. Hi, Mia. Today I went to the market. I bought some fresh apples. It was a very nice trip.
Ah, that was beautiful, Leo. So clear and so peaceful. Let us listen to that beautiful, slow version one more time.
Hi, Mia. Today, I went to the market. I bought some fresh apples. It was a very nice trip.
Let us discuss this. Notice how Leo paused between his sentences. He did not rush. He smiled while speaking. When you smile and speak slowly, your voice sounds warm and confident.
That is a great tip, Mia. Smiling relaxes your face. So, remember, you do not need to run a race when you speak English. Take your time. Enjoy every word. You are doing great.
Leo, a lot of our listeners write to us and say, Mia, Leo, I want to practice speaking, but I live alone. I do not have anyone to speak English with. What should I do?
This is a very common question, Mia. My answer is always the same. Talk to yourself. It might sound a little funny at first, but it is one of the best ways to become fluent.
It really is. You don't need a partner to practice English. You can be your own partner. Let us listen to how this works in real life. Imagine you're at home cooking dinner. You can describe what you are doing out loud. Leo, give us an example.
Okay, imagine I'm in my kitchen. I say to myself, now I'm washing the tomatoes. Next, I'm cutting the bread. I'm making a healthy sandwich. I feel hungry.
That's wonderful. Let us listen to Leo's kitchen talk one more time. Pay attention to how he uses simple verbs.
Now I am washing the tomatoes. Next, I am cutting the bread. I'm making a healthy sandwich. I feel hungry.
This is so powerful. Let us discuss why. When you talk to yourself, there's zero pressure. No one is judging you, no one is correcting you. You can make mistakes and just laugh them off. It's a safe space to build muscle memory.
Yes, and you can do this anytime, anywhere. You can do it when you are cleaning your room, when you're getting dressed, or when you're waiting for the bus. Just whisper to yourself in English.
Let us give our listeners a little homework phrase to practice talking to themselves. Repeat after me. I am listening to my favorite English podcast right now.
Wow, this sounded so good, Mia. I love hearing our listeners practice. You are truly putting in the effort, and that is why you will succeed.
Now, let us talk about something very important. It's about your mindset. Many students are terrified of making mistakes. They think a mistake means their English is bad.
Oh, that makes me so sad when students feel that way. Let me tell you a big truth, everyone. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you do not make mistakes, you cannot learn.
Exactly, Leo. Even when you say a wrong word or use the wrong tense, people usually still understand you. Let us listen to an example of a sentence with a small grammar mistake, but it's still totally fine. Leo, say a sentence with a small grammar mistake.
Yesterday, I go to the park and I see a beautiful bird.
Did you hear that, listeners? Leo said, yesterday I go instead of yesterday I went. But guess what? I understood him perfectly. I knew exactly what he meant. Let us listen to it again.
Yesterday, I go to the park and I see a beautiful bird.
Let us discuss this. Did the world stop because Leo made a grammar mistake? No. Did I laugh at him? No. Communication was successful because I understood his story. That's what matters most. Fluency is about communication, not perfection.
That is a great lesson, Mia. Thank you. So, dear friends, please do not let the fear of mistakes stop you from opening your mouth. Be brave. Speak up. If you make a mistake, just smile and keep going. You are doing an awesome job.
Leo, let us touch upon another big topic, accents. Many students say, I want to sound exactly like an American, or I want a perfect British accent. They feel insecure about their native accent. What do you think about that?
I think your native accent is beautiful. Your accent shows your history. It shows that you speak more than one language. Speaking more than one language is like a superpower. You should be proud of your accent.
I completely agree, Leo. You don't need to hide your accent. You just need to speak clearly so people can understand your ideas. Let us listen to an example of clear speaking with a natural rhythm. Leo, read this phrase for us.
Hello, my friend. It is nice to meet you today. Welcome to our home.
Let us listen to that again. Notice how Leo speaks with clarity. Every word is easy to hear.
Hello, my friend. It is nice to meet you today. Welcome to our home.
Let us discuss this. To be clear, you just need to focus on your vowels and your consonants. Don't rush through the words. Pronounce the ends of the words clearly. For example, say meet you, not me you.
That's a great point, Mia. Clarity is the goal, not a perfect native accent. When you accept your own voice, your confidence will jump so high. You will feel free to speak up in any conversation.
Well, time flies when you're having fun. We're nearing the end of our podcast episode today. We covered so many amazing tips together. Let us do a quick recap of the key points we learned today so you can remember them easily.
Great idea, Mia. First, we learned to use short sentences. Short sentences help you breathe and stay in control.
Second, we learned to stop translating in your head. Start small by naming the objects around you in English, like chair, desk, microphone.
Third, we learned 3 magic phrases to use when you forget a word. 1, how do you say? 2, it's a thing that. 3, what is the word for?
Fourth, we practiced shadowing, which means imitating the tone and rhythm of confident English speakers.
Fifth, we discovered that speaking slowly is a superpower. Take your time and smile.
Sixth, we learned to talk to yourself at home to build muscle memory without any pressure.
And finally, we reminded you that mistakes are beautiful proof of your progress, and your native accent is something to be proud of.
Wow, what an amazing lesson today, Leo. I'm so proud of everyone who listened until the very end. You are truly dedicated to your English journey.
Yes, good job, everyone. You are doing fantastic. Now, we want to hear from you. We love reading your comments. It makes our day so happy.
For today's community question, we want to know a little bit about your daily life. Tell us in the comments below. What is your favorite drink to have in the morning? Do you love a hot cup of black coffee or maybe a sweet green tea? Let us know. Write your answer in simple English short sentences, just like we practiced today.
I can't wait to read their answers, Mia. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and believe in yourself. You can do this. We'll see you in our next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful, confident day.
Bye, our fearless listeners.